Hi, my name is Catherine at Empowered Frontiers. I am here to do a review on Luna. Now, Luna is a product that has new methods and new software. It has a social boosting factors that will set your YouTube videos apart for higher ranking. It is a robust and integrated system that shows secret tricks and hacks that drive traffic to your videos that rank with YouTube SEO and generate commissions. Put together in a simple step-by-step system that is easy to follow. The features in Luna will help you monetize your social media traffic more effectively. So this is the sales page that tells you more about the Luna product. That as you scroll through, you will find out that the Luna product is actually brought about by Justin Chase and Kalim Muhammad, right? And as you scroll down, you will see a demo video here, and as well as statistics and testimonial of those people who have purchased the product. And it will tells you that it has unlimited free traffic shortcuts. It has a cutting edge software for ranking and secret strategies to rank higher than your competitors. Unlimited versatility to promote anything you want, and totally newbie friendly, and VIP support, and without upfront costs, and without experience, and without risk. Now, should you decide to buy this product, you will come to this members area. Okay, in the welcome to Luna, Justin will share with you an overview of what Luna is about. And it will also share with you how they have cracked the YouTube algorithm. And it has a rank booster here, sharing with you the different elements that will help you rank in a much faster way. It has a click-through rate, and showing you how what are the factors that actually will help you have a better click-through rate. And again, they have the audience retention and video quality. It has a rocket launch showing you how to embed the video and for the social media, how to build your email list, and the use of end screen and cards in your video upload. It has a software for the backlinks. It will teach you how to maximize your results, with this launch jacking strategy. It has the feature of boosting the engagement. It will show you how to do the YouTube shorts. And there is a case study from somebody that have actually used Luna, and sharing with you the results. And there will be upgrades, which I will talk to you about it later on. And the vendor will be giving you bonuses. Bonus number 1 is the profit abundance. Bonus number 2 is the LinkedIn profits, and bonus number 3 is the profit mania, and bonus number 4 is the coin smash, and bonus number 5 is the commission blast. And these are very high-end bonuses that you can use to generate incomes and commissions. Now, should you decide to buy this product, do click on to the link at the description below, and you come to this bonus page. All right, the bonus page will come down at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, November the 23rd. All right, should you be wanting to buy this product, do click on to any of these yellow buttons here, okay, to secure your copy of the software and the bonuses. There is a section on prices and upsells. The front end will cost $12.95 for the software and the training modules. Upsell number 1 is Luna Cosmic, that have a down sale price of $12, and it is actually a upgrade to activate the social boosters that will bring impact to social media platforms, that will guarantees a commissions return. Upsell number 2 is Luna Supernova, that has a down sale of $27, and this is where you can sell Luna as your own product and keep all the commissions of the whole funnel. Upsell number 3 is Lunar Galactic. Okay, upsell number 3 would be to join the vendor to launch a new product with them. You let the vendor do all the work, and you keep 100% of the buyer leads and 20% of the profit. Here are the key benefits that you may be interested in getting with the product Luna. Here there is the demo video that I've shown you in the members area that you can take your time and listen to. Should you decide to buy this product under my link, you will be given a specially selected bonuses from me. Bonus number 1 is my collection of done for you funnels to monetize. And bonus number 2 is my digital product business blueprint. And bonus number 3 is the SEO skills mastery. Bonus number 4 is how to get hundreds of subscribers weekly. And bonus number 5 is the free access to all the bonuses from the vendor. Let's recap what you will get for purchasing Luna. You will get its software and its training modules and all the support, the money back guarantee, the vendor's bonuses, and my bonuses for the price of $12.95. And this is something that you can consider to make it worth the while in ranking your videos and to see the returns, in commissions and sales. To decide to buy this product, do click on to any of the yellow buttons here to secure your copy of the product and your bonuses. Thanks for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. See you at the next review.